Has crypto winter ended? Let's talk a bit about Bitcoin. In October, Bitcoin showed its strongest performance of 2022 with a 27% increase, approaching $35,000. There are several reasons for this. The increased likelihood of Bitcoin ETF approvals, signs of inflation from governments, and panic buying by Bitcoin investors are some of the key factors. Before October, Bitcoin was in a crypto winter, and this winter season seemed quite prolonged. However, it appears that the crypto winter has now ended. Every day, numerous developments are unfolding, indicating that Bitcoin is about to enter a bull market. Governments cannot adopt strict policies against Bitcoin. Worldwide, government officials are making positive or neutral statements about Bitcoin. The wars in the Middle East, renewed inflation threats, and oppressive economic policies are bringing people closer to Bitcoin. The event that will likely kickstart the Bitcoin bull run is the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs. If Bitcoin spot ETFs are approved, the Bitcoin bull season will coincide with the Bitcoin halving period. As a result, we are likely to witness a remarkable increase in the crypto market. Currently, there are 12 Bitcoin ETF applications pending approval. Some of the applicants include companies like BlackRock, Bitwise, Fidelity, VanEck, Invesco, and Archie Investment Management. Many analysts believe that the SEC will approve several ETF applications simultaneously. There is a positive and optimistic atmosphere in the markets. The celebration of the 15th anniversary of the Bitcoin White Paper by SEC Chairman Gary Gensler was significant. His celebratory tweet received thousands of likes and comments, creating a positive interaction. We are truly on the brink of a new era in the economy. The new era of money is about to begin. We are facing the longest bull season, and the start of the Bitcoin halving period is only a few months away. Please do not consider what I've mentioned as investment advice. If you plan to invest, please conduct your research before making any investment decisions. These weeks are crucial for Bitcoin. I will continue to keep you informed. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.